everyone. I am your host, Angela Tan, and welcome to ProFriends Virtual Open House, where your dream home is just one click away. We are here inside ProFriends Development, the PARC Regency Residences in Barangay Ungkat 2, Pavia. This is already our third episode, and as we all know, November is the month where our loved ones abroad would usually come home here in Iloilo to celebrate the holidays with their family. And today's episode is entitled Hero. We will tell you the story of a nurse in Dubai who spent 7 years in a foreign country just to provide for her family. We thank you for sacrificing your lives to save others. Now, this is her story. Amanda has already been in Dubai for 7 years straight, and being a registered nurse, she went to another country to work and give her family a better future. She would spend most of her time in the hospital to take care of the sick, and to save money, she is renting a place with 3 to 4 more fellow OFWs. Life is hard and lonely, yet Amanda still perseveres with her day-to-day routine just to make her family safe and happy. Her biggest dream is to buy a house for her parents and 2 siblings. With the pandemic, she often worries about her family back home. Are her parents in good health? Are her siblings doing well? Even if she is so far away, she wants to protect her family back home. More and more, the need to buy a home in a less crowded community seems more urgent. Her parents and 2 siblings are still renting in Iloilo City, where it is already crowded. She knows what her family needs. A new home with ample rooms for her parents and siblings, but still near the city and close to major establishments and major roads for an easy commute. Amanda checks her bank account and makes some computations if what she and her siblings are earning would be enough. She finally decides to search for her dream home in Iloilo, a home that they can call their own. Amanda then contacts her trusted friend to look for a property in Iloilo that can fit their needs. She must also discuss this with her siblings so that they may surprise her parents on Christmas. Her friend introduces her to a ProFriends accredited agent online. Together with her siblings, they were able to discuss what her family is looking for. The agent invites them to a virtual open house tour where they saw the available houses, amenities, and nearest establishments. Amanda and her siblings are excited and amazed that all they ever dreamed of is perfectly placed in one community, in PARC Regency Residences, Pavia. After careful thinking and several budget computations, all of them are convinced and decided to reserve the 4-bedroom home in Pavia. Christmas Eve came. While everyone is enjoying their Noche Buena, a familiar voice greeted them. Merry Christmas, Mommy and Daddy. After a long and tight hug, she handed them a photo of their future home. A home where everything is within their reach, a home where their safety is definitely secured. That is a very touching story from Amanda. We thank you again for all your sacrifices, and I hope you and your family enjoy your new home at PARC Regency. Well, after hearing Amanda's story, I am very intrigued to know more about the house that she bought. What about you guys? Well, good thing for us, we have here our sales expert, Anton Vega, who will give us a house tour of Amanda.
Thank you, Angela. It's so nice to be here today. I am very excited to show you around.
Thank you also, Anton. I'm sure our viewers are very excited to see more of Amanda. So let's start the tour.
Amanda is our biggest house model here inside PARC Regency Residences with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. I personally love its huge windows that give the home a very warm and cozy feel.
Wow, from the outside, it looks grand with a balcony and garden. I also like the fact that it has a provision for a 2-car garage. As we enter, I can see that the interior is very nice and elegant, Anton.
Absolutely. We made sure that the living area is big enough for the family to entertain their guests. The dining and kitchen areas are also designed to be close to each other so that the family may move around freely. If you notice, we also place a sliding door here that will lead to the linear park. Park Regency residences intentionally designed a linear park at the back of the homes so that neighbors may enjoy gatherings and other activities.
An added space for family gatherings? That's a big plus.
Amanda is also perfect during the new normal since it has a ground floor bedroom that can be converted into a work from home office. We also made sure there's a toilet and bath at the ground floor that can be accessible for guests.
Actually, Anton, ang nanamian ko dito sa Amanda is kadako dito sa space and open layout na siya, so it encourages open communication and bonding sa family.
Tama ka, Angela. Ang mali ang nanamian ko kay Amanda, kay sa kadakuon niya, damo kaging options nga ibutang diri sa sulod balay, di ba?
Yes, that's right. And dila pagid magwa ang creativity sa mga owners.
Tama.
Right?
And look at the cathedral window. It gives a view of the garden. Ang namin pagidali sa cathedral windows, gahatag siya kasanag sa sulod sang balay.
I totally agree. Kadako siya actually nga bintana from floor to ceiling and you can see your neighbors halin di sa sulod, you know?
Our second floor has 3 bedrooms, very spacious and comfortable for big family who would want to have their privacy from time to time. Let us look inside the master bedroom first. Our master bedroom has its own toilet and bath that makes it very convenient and exclusive for mom and dad.
Wow, Anton! So far, this is my most favorite nga room nga na-tour naton. Kay kanami sa iyang mga tones, ang colors may brown, may mga wood accent, and may mirrors.
Tama, agad Angela, no? Amunin ang namian ko man sa master bedroom kaysa kadakuon niya sa kalaparon sini. Very relaxing, di ba?
I agree!
Kag may ara ni siya balcony pa din.
Wow, let's check it out!
This door leads to the balcony, an extra space where they may relax.
I personally love having a balcony. I can access fresh air in the mornings and it adds natural lighting to the room.
Now, let's visit the 2 other bedrooms perfect for your children.
Oh, ang muni galing kids room. It's so nice.
Yes, ang namit pagi diri Miss Angela, kay may ara na extra space nga pwede mo butangan sa computer set. Kay timing ni siya para sa aton mga online classes.
Agree.
Since online classes started, having individual space becomes even more important. A 3-bedroom unit on the second floor can give you the space your family will need during the new normal.
And it even has a 3rd toilet and bath for the children to share. Very convenient. This is really a good investment, especially for those who have big families. Just imagine 4 bedrooms with maximized spaces. All the convenience that you need in a home is here. And not just that, Park Regency is at the heart of everything. We are only a few minutes away from the airport and the city. There are also neighborhood malls just like the Robinsons, GT Town Pavia, and City Mall.
If you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to message us at our official Facebook page and we'll be happy to assist you.